Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. This video is called Dueling Yakiniku. In Japanese, yaki means grilled or cooked and niku means meat. I have a couple of other yakiniku lessons. This video is a scrapbook of a recent dinner where we compared American Wagyu beef to prime ribeye beef. I sliced the beef into thin slices, which, by the way, is the best way to eat well-marbled beef, in my opinion. I also provided two dipping sauces, GyuDare and sesame. Our guests yakied their own niku on personal Conroe grills, then dipped them into one of the two sauces. The verdict is announced at the end of the video. So let's start cooking. Right, to do the Dueling Yakiniku, we're going to use these little Conroe grills. Some people call them hibachis. They have a little screen that goes on top like this. We're going to put sterno down inside and light the sterno, put the screen on top, and then put the stone on top of that, brushing the stone with a little oil. I'm going to heat these stones in the oven beforehand at about 350 degrees for at least half an hour to an hour. And then just as we're ready to have the guests start cooking, we're going to bring the stones out, put them on top of these GrillGrates, which will be on top of the sterno that's already lit. Okay. All right, here are the stones that go on top of the Conroe grills. We're going to put these, we put these on a quarter sheet pan. We're going to put these into the oven and heat them up for at least a half an hour. Probably will be longer, given my timing. All right, for the yakiniku, I'm also going to put some oil in a bowl. This is going to be to brush the stones. I'm using high smoke point oil. In this case, it's avocado oil. You could use grapeseed, canola, rice seed oil, rice bran oil, I'm sorry. And we're just going to keep this handy. We're going to use a brush to brush it on. I'm using a crappy brush because the stone may burn the brush to some extent, okay? Okay, now we're going to slice the beef. We're going to do both the mishima and that's ribeye, and also the prime New York strip. And I have put these in the freezer long enough until they get very firm, okay? We don't want them to be rock hard. We just want them to be very firm, okay? Then I'm going to put them onto the slicer, and you could do this with a knife as well. I'm slicing them about 1/8 of an inch thick, okay? There you get a beautiful slice. Turn it off. Beautiful slice. It's about, between a 1/16 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch thick, okay? And we're going to slice all of the beef this way. Okay, and here we have this is the mishima that's been sliced about 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8 of an inch thick. Now we're going to do the same thing with the prime New York strip. Okay, beautiful, okay? It's a little hard to get this into the camera, okay? Let's move the slicer out of the way. There we go, beautiful. Now we're going to divide these up onto plates for each one of the guests. A little bit of mishima for both of them, for all of them, and a little bit of the prime New York strip for all of them.